Good day, math lovers. Allow your child to watch this video and learn something new from this video. So we have corresponding angles, and this is coming from angles between line. So we have done vertically opposite angle, which is X angle. We have done alternate angle, which is Z angles. So here now we are dealing with corresponding angles. So this one is called F angles. So when we have F like this, we also have something like this. So we are going to have corresponding angle. Now, corresponding angle are said to be equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Now, we can also see corresponding angle when we have two parallel lines that move in the same direction. Look at this parallel line, look at this parallel line, and there is a line that crosses. So the line is what is transversal. So when we have two parallel lines and we have a line that crosses, that means corresponding angles are formed. Also, alternate angles are also formed. Now, in that case, letter F is corresponding angle. So it shows that this angle that is here and the angle that is here, they are what? They are equal. They must be on the same position. As you can see, this angle is under this horizontal line. This angle also is under this horizontal line. So that means this angle and this angle, they are equal. So the angle that is on top of this line, on this horizontal line here now, and the angle on this horizontal line also, they are what? They are equal. That is corresponding angle. Same thing with this one also. The angle on top of this line, they are equal. The angle under this horizontal line, under this horizontal line, they are also what? They are also equal. Now let's now come back to this place now. Look at this. We have letter F. Look at my hand. This letter F. Letter F. Now we have two parallel lines. Move to the same direction, and we have transversal. That means corresponding angle is there, alternate angle is also there. But this topic in this video is I'm trying to explain corresponding angle from this video. Now, the angle that is under this line here, this B and this Y, the two of them, they are under this horizontal line. So that means B is equal to Y, corresponding angle. The angle that is on top of this line here and this angle also on top of this line here, they are also equal. So that means A is equal to what? X. Remember, they must be on the same position. Now, we are done with this part. Now, this part also, Z and what? Z and C. You can see that Z and C, they are under this horizontal line here. So that means Z and C, they are equal. So let's say C is equal to what? Is equal to Z. That is also what? Corresponding angle. Now, the angle that is here and the angle that is on top of this line also, this one and this one, they are what? They are on top of the line, on top of this horizontal line. That means D is equal to what? Is equal to R. So that is what? Corresponding angle. So I just explained corresponding angle now. So let's now come back to this diagram now. Let's explain. Let me use this corresponding to answer this question. Now let's go. We have to find the value of P and the value of M. Remember that we need to get the value of M before we can get the value of P, because whatever we get as value of M, I will substitute it inside this. Whatever I get as this angle here must be equal to this angle, because this B and this angle, they are what? They are vertically opposite angle. Remember our letter S. So before we now come back to that place, let me show you how we are going to get the value of M. Follow me. Now, 4M plus 15 and 5M minus 10, they are under this horizontal line. And remember that this is what? This is F angles. Remember, when there is two parallel lines and there is what? There is a line that crosses it, which is transversal line. Corresponding angles is what is formed. So we just see letter F now. Please, letter F. That's how you recognize it. Now the angle under this line and the angle under this line, they are what? They are equal. So I will equate this 4M plus 15 and this 5M minus 10. Now 4M plus 15 is equal to what? Is equal to 5M minus 10, corresponding angle. Because of the space, I will not write the reason. Now, after we equate these two, we equate it because the angles are equal. Next thing is, let's take this 5M to this place and 15 to this place. So we are going to have 4M minus 5M is equal to what? Is equal to minus 10 minus 15. Now, in that case, 4M minus 5M will give us minus M. So we have minus M is equal to what? Minus 10 minus 10 minus 15 give us minus 25. Divide both sides by what? -1, because we don't want to see this negative. We must see positive there. So divide both sides by -1, -1. So this minus cancel this minus. So m is equal to, remember when we have minus over minus, that is plus. So we have for 25. So that means the value of m is 25. Now if the value of m is now 25, what is now the value of the angle that is here? We just get the value of m. So let's get the angle that is here now. The angle that is here will now be 4m plus 15. Remember 4m means 4 times m, abi. So 4 times 25 give us what? That give us 100. So 100 plus 15. That will give us what? 100 plus 15 will give us 115. 115 degree. So let me put degree here. After that, remember that we get this angle now as what? 150, because 4 times 25 give us 100. Do you understand? So 100 plus 15 give us 115. So therefore, this angle, they are vertically opposite angle. Remember, vertically opposite angle mean letter x. Look at this x angle. Look at what we see. When two lines intersect each other, what happens? Vertically opposite angle are also formed. This angle are equal. So in that case, B is automatically what? 115 degree. So the value of B is 115 degree, and the value of M is 25 degree. That's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to follow and share this video. Bye for now.